The Yamaha Tenere 700 has long been known as a champion among adventurers. A bike with true rally DNA, reliable performance, and captivating simplicity. But imagine if all the signature elements of the Tenere 700 were injected with the ferocious power of the MT09's three-cylinder engine. Imagine no more, because that dream has now become a reality. Interestingly, this bike isn't from the official Yamaha factory, but rather from the creative hands of an Australian workshop, Purpose Built Moto. Tom Gilroy and his team began this rally raid project based on a 2019 Yamaha MT09. The 115 horsepower 847cc three-cylinder engine was retained, but given an aggressive twist with a custom 3-into-2 exhaust system from Yoshimura. The result? The Yamaha's signature triple-cylinder roar is fierce and enticing with every pull of the throttle. The transformation isn't just cosmetic. The front suspension is taken from a KTM 1190 Adventure, then paired with a professionally tuned custom rear shock. The result? High ground clearance, long travel, and the off-road capabilities of a true rally bike. A 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel with Moto's Tractionator tires are ready to tackle any terrain. A rally-style fairing and a handmade aluminum body create a Tenere-like silhouette. Components like the handlebars, foot pegs, and headlight are also tailored for maximum functionality on extreme trails. Despite its muscular appearance, the bike's weight is kept at around 200 kilograms, almost the same as the Tenere 700. But when it comes to power, it's significantly higher thanks to the MT09's wild triple engine. In fact, this bike can be transformed into a supermoto by installing 17-inch rims. While not an official Yamaha project, the Tenere 900 by Purpose Built Moto clearly demonstrates the immense potential of Yamaha's triple engine, if developed as a future adventure motorcycle. The combination of power, ideal weight, and off-road toughness make it a near-perfect package. Perhaps this is the signal Yamaha needs to take, that the world is ready for the real Tenere triple.